The BJP today extended its winning streak with a strong show in Jharkhand and J&K. In Jharkhand, the party is set to form the government, winning 42 of the total 81 seats. While in J&K, it has won 25 seats, just 3 short of the PDP, which is in the pole position.
The twin wins are a personal boost to Prime Minister Modi and his right-hand man Amit Shah, who spearheaded the campaign in both those states. Although the party may have failed in its mission 44 in J&K, and for the Congress, it's yet another blow, failing to make it to the mark in both states. So what will be the impact of Jharkhand and of the Jammu and Kashmir results on Modi's government here in New Delhi? And how long will the BJP be able to ride the Modi wave? The state poll results and its impact on national politics is our top story on Business Tonight.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi Tuesday brought in terrific news. His magic is still intact and his wave unmissable, with his party even scoring big in Jammu and Kashmir, India's only Muslim majority state. He didn't get to the magical 44, but BJP's tally of 25 up from 11 in 2009 is impressive by any standard, with even J&K endorsing his pro-development placard. And these inroads made 11 Ashoka Road erupt with celebrations.
मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व में एनडीए की जो सरकार चल रही है, उसका जो कामकाज है, उसका जो कार्य है, उस पर एक तरह से ठप्पा लगाने का काम ये दोनों राज्यों की सरकार ने किया है.
The Muftis emerged as the single largest party, with PDP bagging 28 seats, up from its 21 last time. For Omar and the Abdullahs, along with the Congress, these are definitely tough times. The NC has been routed to 15 and the Congress to 12.
कांग्रेस पीडीपी मिल के भी अलायंस जो है वो हुकूमत नहीं बना सकेंगे. उनको कहीं से 5-6 इंडिपेंडेंट्स भी लाने होंगे. बाकी वो उन तक है, अगर वो जाना चाहे. कांग्रेस की बड़ी एक खूबी रही है, वो हर बार दोस्त बदलते हैं. वो बार बार ये चीज साबित करते हैं कि सियासत में न दुश्मन परमानेंट होता है, न दोस्त परमानेंट होता है.
So as Mission 44 remained elusive for everyone in the valley, marriages of convenience are beginning to take shape. A coalition of BJP and PDP, most political observers believe, looks imminent. After all, open to all options has few interpretations. But the PDP, which has not been able to get a majority, is keeping its cards close to its chest.
We don't want to cobble up a government, but definitely we are looking for a kind of a governance which is based on our agenda, to deliberate and explore कि कौन सी ऐसी formations हैं जहां हम जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों की aspirations को accommodate करते हुए लोगों को जो expectations हमसे हैं good governance की, political process को आगे ले जाने की, तो उस formation में कौन सा formation बनेगा अभी वो बताना बड़ा मुश्किल है. We'll take our time.
Sources do indicate that Modi is not very keen to jump in on an alliance with the Muftis, who he believes are naturally inclined towards the Congress. Jammu and Kashmir has a fractured mandate, throwing up no clear winners. The single largest party, PDP, has quickly sent out feelers. BJP is keeping its options open, leaving it to the PDP to take the first step. Will it go with the Congress or build a direct link to Delhi, though is what the valley is waiting to hear. But it's a decisive mandate in Jharkhand, which 14 years after its formation will get the first majority government. BJP has stormed with a majority of 42 seats in the 81-member assembly. The move, many believe, will bring stability to this Naxal hotbed. After Maharashtra and Haryana, Jharkhand adds to the list of 9 states now under BJP's rule, with Delhi immediately next, and West Bengal, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh also in the pipeline. The war for states will keep Modi and his chief lieutenants busy. Bureau Report, ET Now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.